Kolkata, and Kolkata police in fact has arrested the tour manager, the person who was responsible for organizing this four-city tour for Lionel Messi, Shatadru Datta, after chaos broke out at the Salt Lake Stadium during the event. It is worth noting that Datta was detained while he was on his way to Hyderabad, and the same development was then confirmed by West Bengal DGP Rajiv Kumar. He also added that the organizer has submitted a written assurance that money will be refunded to all the fans who bought the tickets and came to watch Messi at the Salt Lake Stadium. Now, Javed Shamim, ADG Law and Order, in his press conference, talked about how Shatadru Datta had already been detained by the police. He was the main organizer of the program, and money, he said, is going to be refunded as well. Investigation is currently underway.
So he's been arrested, and the third part, as I'm telling, the क्या responsibility है, inquiry committee की जाएगी, और inquiry. He's been arrested.
Sir, you have told them the money will be returned.
No. Again, I'm telling you, they are promising that they return. We'll see how it can be done.
And viewers, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also apologized for the mismanagement. She said she was shocked and extended apologies to Lionel Messi as well as his fans. West Bengal government has now constituted an inquiry panel headed by retired Justice Ashim Kumar Ray to fix the responsibility. And this is the latest update that we are getting for you. Remember, Lionel Messi, the football legend, in fact, is on a four-city tour to India. It is a very, very important event for the fans because for some of them, it's once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to really catch a glimpse of Lionel Messi. Somebody who loves football would be able to understand what we're talking about. And viewers, clearly what we witnessed was complete chaos at Messi's Kolkata event, and that sparked a political row as well, with the BJP blaming the TMC government. In fact, the party slammed the state for mismanagement, and there is a political war of words that we are witnessing right now between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. Listen in to these reactions.
पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है, क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है। तृणमूल के सुजीत बोस से लेकर अरूप विश्वास से लेकर सारे मंत्री इसमें लगे हुए हैं। वैसे कि इसमें लूट हुई है, 5,000 8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ। मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस रहेगा और करप्शन नहीं होगा, ये तो हो नहीं सकता। इसमें भी करप्शन हुआ, बोतल जेब होके वो भी तृणमूल के लोग हैं, अरूप विश्वास के लोग बोल रहे हैं लोग कि अरूप विश्वास के लोग हैं। तो पूरा मेसी का मेज बना के रख दिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने और तृणमूल कांग्रेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
Most unruly and messy scenes have come out from the Messi event in the Kolkata stadium. And for this, only the TMC government and administration is to blame. Nobody else is to blame. The fact is that this is causing global embarrassment to us all. Inept leaders of TMC wanting favors for themselves and their family were surrounding Messi, denying fans their rightful opportunity. And then fans were forced to take certain steps. Nobody condones any kind of violence. But these are exactly like the scenes that we saw in Bengaluru Stampede. The police was not there in the adequate numbers. The administration was absent. There was lack of planning. It is all evident.
You heard the reactions from the BJP. In response, TMC, Trinamool Congress, has shifted the blame to the event organizers, asking why gallery spectators were deprived. The party criticized the incompetent organizers, saying the chaos left people disappointed and deprived of the experience they came for.
ये जो सेंटिमेंट है फुटबॉल फैंस का, मैं एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहनबागान क्लब उसको सपोर्ट करता हूं, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा संयम दिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम ये हमारा वो डैमेज हो रहा है और इसके बारे में अभी भालचर पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये शुरू कर दिया है। ये कलकत्ता को बदनाम करने के लिए पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर करते हैं कुछ वो लोग अभी घुस गए हैं। वो कलकत्ता को बदनाम करने का गुस्से में अब जो कर रहे हैं, उसका कोई फायदा दूसरे कोई लोग ले रहे हैं, बदनाम कर रहे हैं।
Now, viewers, barricades were breached, bottles were thrown, stage was vandalized. What was expected to be a historic celebration of football in Kolkata took a rather chaotic turn during Lionel Messi's appearance at the Salt Lake Stadium. The Argentine superstar's much-anticipated GOAT tour stop in Kolkata was marred by crowd unrest, with bottles hurled and hoardings damaged as frustration among fans grew. Eyewitnesses say the trouble began due to poor crowd handling and severe access restrictions, leaving fans shocked at how limited the movement and viewing areas really were inside the venue. In fact, as tempers flared, protests broke out in the stands. The situation deteriorated rapidly, forcing officials to step in and restore order. Amid the growing disorder, Messi's time at the stadium was cut drastically. The World Cup winner is believed to have remained inside for less than 10 minutes before being escorted out under tight security along with other VVIPs. For thousands of fans who had been waiting since morning, the abrupt exit came as a major disappointment, with many leaving without even a clear glimpse of the football icon. Soon after, videos from inside the stadium flooded social media, capturing scenes of unrest, objects being thrown and damaged signage. The chaotic scenes followed celebrations earlier in the day at Sri Bhumi Sporting Club in Lake Town, where Messi had virtually unveiled a 70-foot statue in his honor alongside West Bengal Minister Sujit Bose and Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan. My colleague Shivam brings you more from the ground.
We are currently reporting from the Salt Lake Stadium, and right now the mood of the people have changed. These are the fans that have come to watch Messi, but right now they are in utter disappointment and they are now throwing the bottle, showing the disappointment. They are saying that this is the bottle right now being thrown at the administrator, at the organizer, saying that this was a complete scam on their part. What they are basically alleging is that they did not get to see Messi. Messi did a 3 rounds here. He did not play any football, but now the fans are not in the right mood. They are right now also, as you can see, clicking off the board. They are now tapping and punching on the board, and this entire arena, the boards have been, dismantled as well in some parts. You can see right now, they are now throwing down the boards. The bottles have been, being thrown at the stadium in this particular part, and right now the boards are also being torn away. This is the current situation at the Salt Lake Stadium, where people are disappointed. The security officials are also right now, you can see bottles being thrown at them. They are trying to save themselves, and now they are having all the security equipment with them. So now what will be the administration has to say about this is something that will take an answer. Shivam Sharma reporting for the Times Network. So the mood of the people have changed. In the morning, while they were going inside, they were excited, but today they are utterly disappointed with the fans. And right now we also have fans. Sir, क्या हुआ अंदर? मेसी देखने को मिला? क्या हुआ है?
बिल्कुल देखने को नहीं मिला। ऑर्गेनाइजर जो भी थे उन्होंने बिल्कुल देखने नहीं दिया, सिर्फ उन्होंने अपना फोटो खिंचवाया और पूरा उसको राउंड कर दिया एकदम हर जगह से। किसी को भी किसी एंगल से देखने नहीं मिला।
मैंने सुना लोगों ने 10,000 का टिकट कराया है, बहुत पहले से लाइन में खड़े थे।
12,000 का टिकट क्या है? 12,000 का टिकट
और 30 घंटे ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करके आया हूँ चेन्नई से
आप यहाँ से
30 घंटे ट्रेन का ट्रैवल, and we couldn't see a glimpse of Messi. Everyone was surrounding him, management, media, और जो ग्राउंड के अंदर स्टाफ है ना, वो लोग फोटो खींच रहे हैं। हमने इतना पैसा खर्चा करके चेयर सीटेड देयर, कुछ भी देखा।
मैं आसाम से आया हूँ, पार्टिकुलरली इसके लिए आया हूँ। मैं कम से कम 20,000 का टिकट कराया हूँ फ्लाइट का। यहाँ का ये जो इवेंट है उसका 12,000 का टिकट कराया हूँ और घंटा मिला मुझे।
कुछ नहीं मिला आपको देखने के लिए?
कुछ भी एक जगह।
So you are listening to the fans who said that they paid thousands of rupees, they have travelled thousands of kilometers only to see a crowd surrounding their football icon, from which they have said they have been here standing in the queue for so long, and they are utterly disappointed. Now it is up to the administration to explain to them what will actually happen to the money that they have paid.
Moving on, viewers, when the world's most loved game meets India's warmth, the moment speaks for itself. Football icon Lionel Messi is in India on a 3-day visit, where he had a special interaction with RPSG Group Chairman Sanjeev Goenka. From words of thanks to shared smiles, Messi acknowledges India's deep affection for football, a meeting that celebrates sport, vision and India's growing football story. After the interaction, Sanjeev Goenka gifted Messi a digital audio player with Hindi songs. Watch this interaction between global icon and Indian visionary.
When you first lifted the World Cup, which family member did you think of first?
Bueno, mira, la verdad es un honor estar acá, ya estuve con la selección y hacía mucho que no venía y ahora en esta situación porque vengo de otra manera, no con el equipo. Nada, siempre en todo el momento, tanto bueno como malo, pienso y estoy cerca de mi familia, de mis amigos, de mi gente que estuvo siempre y nada, en ese momento tan especial, solo mi familia.
Mainly his family and his support. This is the first time, the second time he's here. He signed out himself without selection, which I'm doing. So simply his main focus is the family.
What value do you think from football that you have learned which is useful in life?
Bueno, creo que el fútbol es un deporte muy especial, muy lindo, donde no solo se trata de jugar, sino que da mucho aprendizaje, mucho valor, de la amistad, del trabajo, del sacrificio, del esfuerzo, de compartir, de vivir experiencias, de hacer nuevos amigos. Creo que es un estilo de fútbol. Yo jugar el fútbol desde muy chiquito, es algo que me apasiona, me encanta, siempre lo disfruto y bueno, hasta el día de hoy sigo manteniendo y me sigue pasando la misma cosa que cuando era chiquito en ese sentido.
Okay, so it's a great value to learn how to share.
Let's now move on. Viewers, at the closing ceremony of the Bastar Olympics, Union Home Minister Amit Shah reiterated government's resolve to make Bastar and the entire country Naxal-free. He said the goal goes beyond ending extremism, adding that the 7 Bastar division districts will be transformed into the most developed tribal regions in India by December 2030.
जनता पार्टी की एनडीए सरकार के प्रधानमंत्री, हमारा ये संकल्प है कि समग्र बस्तर को और भारत भूमि को नक्सल मुक्त कराना, मगर यहां से रुकना नहीं है। मैं आज आप सब लोगों के सामने कहकर जाता हूं, कांकेर, कोंडागांव, बस्तर, सुकमा, बीजापुर, नारायणगढ़, नारायणपुर और दंतेवाड़ा, ये 7 जिलों का संभाग बस्तर 2030 दिसंबर तक देश का सबसे विकसित आदिवासी जिले बनेंगे तो मेरा बस्तर बनेगा। बस्तर के हर व्यक्ति को रहने के लिए घर, घर में बिजली, शौचालय, पीने का पानी नल से, गैस का सिलेंडर, 5 किलो अनाज और 5 लाख तक का मुफ्त इलाज बस्तर के 7 जिलों के घर घर में पहुंचाने का संकल्प ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का संकल्प। और
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.